Hello everyone, you're watching EngLango and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with one of the essential topic with you all, how to improve your writing. It is one of the important topic. Many students have asked about it, but sir, please deliver a lecture on it. The topic is very important, how to improve your writing and tips for improving your writing. Dear all, you need to know that the most essential part of writing is the major things that you need to know about it. Planning, then organizing. Plan your idea. What are you writing? Plan your topic. What are you writing about? Organize the idea for it. And after that, write them down. After writing the idea that you have thought about it, you have planned about it, after writing the idea, you should go for rechecking it. They are the major steps. And these major steps are having some sub-steps which are supporting them how to plan, how to organize, how to write, and how to recheck. Now, in the planning part, we have reading. Read as much as you can. Step number first is read as much as you can. Dear all, we believe that a smart reader is a smart writer. A good reader is a good writer. When we are reading, that makes our writing flow better. That makes our ideas better. That makes our ideas clear about the topic that we are going to write. If I want to write a biography, if I want to write an essay, if I want to write about anything, or you want to write a story, you want to write a book, you want to write an article, before writing that, you need to read about it, to understand it. Before you go for writing it, read it, understand it, how the writer has properly written it and clearly deliver the message in that written form to you or to the reader. This is important. Besides that, reading improves our grammar. Reading improves our vocabulary, the structure of the sentence, and it makes us able to communicate our ideas in a very beautiful way. The next step for it is for the planning. In the planning part we are. First one is read as much as you can. The second step is that you must not forget, keep a dictionary with yourself to find out words, to know about formal words, to know about informal words, to know about the synonym of the words. If you are repeating the same word again and again, it's not a good idea in writing. Try your level best to have your dictionary to search about the synonyms and antonyms for the words and try to aid them. That makes your writing beautiful and great. Step number third is brush up your grammar skills. Yeah, grammar is very important. If you want to have credibility, readability, and proper good communication in your writing, and you make your writing easy for your writer, you need to have good grammatical structure. We believe that we can speak without learning and studying grammar. Without studying grammar, we can write, but we cannot write in a formal way. We cannot write in a good way because we don't sometimes know about contractions. You might be using contraction. Sometimes, in writing, I have seen some students are using contraction form, which is informal, which is not formal. So in writing, try to avoid them. For that, you need to have command or the grammar. The fourth step that you need to follow to improve your writing is learn how to organize the paragraph. What is the beginning sentence? The sentence which is opening your topic. Learn how to organize your paragraph. What is the beginning statement? How are you going to begin the topic? And what are the supporting statements in which you are going to explain those sentences which are going to explain things? That is simple, complex, and all the sentences which are going to explain the parts that you are talking about. For example, you talk about the inflation. You talk about unemployment. You talk about any other thing, the smartphone, the technology, about any topic that you are going to write. You need to know about how to organize your paragraph. When you organize your paragraph, what is the beginning statement? What are the supporting statement? What supporting idea? The causes that you're explaining. Besides that, how to conclude. This is really important. Sometimes the writer is writing things, but they are committing mistake. They don't know how to conclude it. In writing, you need to know that who is my reader. For that, you have to organize for them. You have to organize what? Your ideas in paragraphs properly. Don't put them in juggles and problem. The next step is step number 5. That is really important that you need to know about it. Write outlines or sequence your thoughts and ideas. It is really important to write outlines. For example, if you're writing a simple piece of writing or you're writing a simple information about something, you need to know how to begin, how to continue, and how to conclude. This is really important. What are you describing? For example, you are writing about technology. What is technology? The importance of technology, the advantages of technology, the disadvantages of technology. Are you in favor of it or against? You have to write that way. Then if you are in favor, you have to support your statements with positive arguments. If you are against it, you should support it with those arguments which are negative, which are creating problems in the society. Technology, how is it creating problem in the society? You need to focus on it too. Besides that, it's really important to sequence your idea. What to describe first, second, third, fourth, fifth. That is really important. And the last, not the least one is, which is coming in the recheck part. In recheck part, you are going to go for spelling. Check your spelling before and after writing. Sometimes we are writing, we are committing mistakes in that, but only not writing. Spelling. You need to focus on the grammar too. Sometimes we are using the wrong comma, wrong punctuation. Different punctuations we are using. Inverted commas, exclamation mark, full stop, question mark. There are different, punctuation rules that we are applying in writing. Are we applying it correctly or not? If we have written the piece of information, and now we are going to complete it, to wind up. We have wind up it. Now we are going to read it and recheck it. First is spelling mistake should be taken out. Second, grammatical mistakes. What are the mistakes that you have grammatically committed? And for that, you need to improve your grammar. As I said, brush up your grammar skills. That is important in the rechecking part too. Sometimes we are committing mistakes. And after reading it again and again, rechecking our own thoughts that we have written, we are taking out the mistakes from it. It was all about writing, how to improve your writing. In the coming videos, we'll be talking about different types of writing and how to write biographies, essay, letters, and many more things. Thank you so much for watching today's lecture. If there is any query, you're most welcome to ask me. Thank you so much. Have a great time.